Hello guys, have a good day, have a good Thursday. Okay, before I start, let me check first my voice. Is it clear or not? My voice clear or not? You guys can hear my voice clearly or not? I want to check first. Have a good day. Very good morning. We are waiting another 1 hour before Europe session open, before London session open. Then we will try to get the opportunity. If there is any opportunity, buy or sell. So in this 1 hour, we will do analysis first. We will see first where is the best zone for entry. Okay, I will start in 3 minutes. Okay, in 3 minutes we will start. All right. Alright, let's start. Okay, have a good day guys, have a good morning. We have another 2 days for this week, the first week of October. Today is a Thursday, and then I think we did win some good profit for this week. I will show you guys. There is a sideways movement. Currently there is a sideways movement at the time frame H4. Okay, and then for now we will try to get the opportunity for buy or sell first. Right, let's start. Okay, okay, how about the MT4 chart? You guys can see clearly or not? The MT4 chart, you guys can see clearly or not? So for now, I open at the weekly time frame. This is a weekly time frame for gold. We will go through from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Yeah, I think most of you did join the live trade with me on last Monday. Last Monday we did mapping from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Okay, the blue zone that I mark here is our target for the next support. Right, to make it more clear. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. As we can see the price from here. Okay, let's say now I open daily time frame. From the daily time frame, we predict that the price will go. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. This is on Monday. This is our mapping on Monday. We predict that the price will go to 1800, but the last price rejection is here around 1814, so almost another 15 pips to our target 1800. So you guys understand or not? For the mapping on the last Monday, I did mention that the price for this gold is strong bearish and the price will go to 1800. For the last rejection on Tuesday is at 1815, and yesterday on Wednesday also during US session, a few hours before US session close, before market close, the price reject again at 1816. So plus minus about 15 pips. Any one of you join me on last Monday live trade. So I think you guys can see clearly the strong bearish movement and the prediction for direction of the gold market. Right? This is daily H4 from here. Oh, sorry, wait. Daily, yesterday, Wednesday, Tuesday. This is on. This is candle on Monday. Candle Monday open here at the blue line. So let's go to lower time frame H1. This is what I'm doing now. We recap what we predict on the last Monday. Okay, we recap again what we predict together on the last Monday live trade session with me. If you guys follow me on the live session last Monday, the market opened from here, the blue line. Okay, wait, I delete this first. Okay, on the last Monday, we predict the price react from this blue line around 1848 price, and we predict that the price is strong bearish movement from here to 1800. Okay, but the past few days the price keep bearish until the last rejection at 1814. Okay, so our prediction is correct. To the next strong support area from the weekly time frame. Okay, this is what we do, what we analyze on last Monday. We recap what we analyze, right? So for now, for today, for the current market price, I delete all this first, make it more clear. So let's go from the higher time frame weekly. Okay, this is a daily weekly time frame. Okay, from the weekly time frame, we see that there is a strong long week rejection, but the candle is not closed yet. Okay, it could be today. The price will come against to this support and breakout. Okay, we see that this is earlier support from the first left weekly time frame, but from the past few days there is a two rejection. There is a two reaction at this support. The price already touched at this area. It could be the price will break out this strong support either today or tomorrow. we will see first by end of this Friday or this weekly time frame. So candle closing, we need to wait for the market close on this for tomorrow, Friday. Okay, so the direction still strong bearish. For me, the direction still strong bearish. Okay, from the weekly time frame, the direction still strong bearish, and there is no confirmation yet. The market want to change to for bullish movement. Okay, this is from the weekly time frame. So clear? Are you guys clear for the weekly time frame? I make it more clear. Candle, okay? Again, I repeat. There is no confirmation yet. The market want to reverse. Except, we wait for the candle closing for this weekly time frame. There is a strong long wick rejection. And then we wait for next Monday. We see again if there is a reaction at this blue support that I mark here. This is from the weekly time frame. Because the candle is not closed yet. That's why I said we do analyze from time frame by time frame, weekly, daily, H4, H1, and to the lower time frame. Okay. As for me, my opinion, the direction of the market is still strong bearish from the weekly time frame. Alright. So clear for the weekly time frame. Now we will go to the daily time frame. Okay, this is a candle for, this is a chart for the daily time frame. Right. Quite interesting for the candle movement on the daily time frame. We see that the rejection is the nearest resistance. Yeah, I make it more clear, okay? Strong long wick rejection at the nearest resistance. This is nearest resistance. I will mark. For the daily time frame, this is the current resistance for the current market price. Okay, I repeat again. For the current market price movement, the red zone that I mark here is the daily time frame current resistance. So need to understand that. Okay, and then we will use the current support for the weekly here as the support area. So to make it more clear, like this. So the red one, the red zone is the current resistance. The blue one is the current support for the current market price. This is the view from the daily time frame. So understand that. Yeah, I give you guys the reason, okay? The reason why I give the sell position entry yesterday. There is a strong movement here. This is a current support. This is a support for this movement. Price breakout and then pull back with pullback here. If we go to the lower time frame, we can see there is a multiple rejection. So the price react at this resistance after the breakout, and then closing candle for the last Wednesday. This is today the blue candle. This is yesterday Wednesday. Is the strong long wick rejection. So quite interesting. We need to monitor clearly. This is strong long wick rejection, meaning that there is a strong seller around here. Need to be careful. Okay, are you guys clear now? The chart that I do the mapping for the daily time frame. Are you guys clear or not? the view from the daily time frame. Clear, okay? For the view from the daily time frame. So I want you guys understand every time frame from weekly, daily, H4 and to the lower time frame. So okay, last I recap again. Yesterday there is a strong long wick rejection at this resistance. Okay, this is resistance because of breakout this support. This is support, earlier support for this movement breakout, so the price come back to this area and reject with the strong long wick rejection. This is a closing candle on the Wednesday market movement yesterday. Right, now go to H4 time frame. So this is H4 time frame, 4 hours candle movement. Okay, this is what I said. This is what I said. The price is sideways. In this area of the resistance, this is a resistance. H4 and daily, we can make it together the same resistance for zone. This is resistance. The blue zone is support. The current market price for the past few days from Monday till today still sideways. Okay, can see here. Can see here. From here after breakout, price reject, sideways in here. So many buyers and sellers confused with this movement. Either the price want to break out or break out down. They are buying, they are selling. So still got confused with this movement. Even yesterday, most of us got confused with this movement, right? We cannot just think or guess the market. We cannot just think that the market want to break out or the market want to continue for bearish, break out this support or break out this resistance. We need to see clearly the price action. What is the price? Give us confirmation. Okay. So my opinion, the current market price based on the time frame H4 movement is still sideways. You guys agree with me or not? The current movement is still sideways at the time frame H4. This is at the time frame H4, sideways. Agree with me or not? You can see here. Price going down, sideways going down, reject, then going up. Why the price reject here and then going down? And then from here, strongly going up but reject the daily resistance, and then before market close yesterday, sideways. So it's quite interesting. It quite interesting with this current movement. We cannot see any breakout yet. So this is from the H4 time frame. Okay, if you want to find the opportunity buy or sell, we need to go to the lower time frame, but need to be careful. The current movement from the daily, weekly time frame, the current movement still strong bearish, but H4 time frame is sideways. So you guys understand or not? Weekly, daily, strongly bearish, but H4 still sideways. So we find the opportunity buy or sell between H1 time frame at the lower time frame. Now you guys clear or not? Understand or not? That's why I give buy or sell based on the current movement at the H1 and H4 time frame. You guys clear or not about this? About this multi-time frame movement, about this multi-time frame trend. So that's why some said that current movement is strong, bearish. Why we buy? Current movement still strong, bullish. Why we sell? We only find the best position entry, best opportunity to get the profit, to get the best entry position. Okay, at least 30 pips, then we can collect all the profit 30 pips, then we can hold the position entry, some of the position entry. But for now, as for me, my opinion, I don't see yet where is the market direction. Only I see based on the previous movement from the weekly and daily, the current movement still strong, bearish. Okay, except there is a strong breakout here, the resistance breakout like this, with a strong candle daily, candle daily breakout here. So consider as, if you know about the chart pattern, there is a double bottom here. Double bottom, then the price want to change direction. At the higher time frame, the price want to change the direction for bullish movement. Okay, if we open the line chart, we also can see clearly there is a double bottom. Double bottom is created already. 1 lowest peak, then 2 lowest peak. So can mark here the last point of peak. If breakout here, so we can sell. Wait, I make it more clear. Okay, highlight. Wait. Okay, double bottom. One of sign, but not confirmation. Cannot trust this chart pattern yet. Double top. So breakout these two peaks, either lower peak or higher peak, then we can see clearly the direction. So this is how I do analyze. Okay, I want to see first the market direction at the lower time frame also. At the lower time frame H4, the current market price is sideways between this resistance and support at the daily time frame. Okay, let's go to candlestick. Right. Now we can mark the minor support and resistance. This is current resistance at the time frame H4. Okay, this is current support at the time frame H4. So I will delete this first. So the current market price is running between these two, between these two areas, support and resistance. Right? Okay, are you guys clear with the H4 time frame analysis or not for now? You guys clear with the H4 time frame analysis or not for now? Right. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame H1, M15, M5. Let's see. Another half an hour before market open for London session, before London session open. Okay, let's go to H1 time frame. Now, this is the view. At the H1 time frame, can see, right? There is a strong long wick rejection, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the price react at this area based on the first left here. Okay, this is a last long wick rejection at 1814. Price react here and then go about 170 pips. And then this candle is during high impact news. Price react and reject. Strong long wick rejection. There is no confirmation. There is a seller. There is a buyer. So we don't know. We only try to get the best position entry. Then the price comes again to this area after the strong long wick rejection. And then she goes about. Here, resistance to here about 120 pips. Rejects again based on the first left here. Based on the first left here, the price reject, come back after reject. There she goes about 130 pips. And then here the price reject based on this long wick rejection. There she goes about 120 pips. Okay. Then yesterday before the market closed, the price reject again at this support area. Before the market closed yesterday, okay. Then she goes to the resistance. Okay. This is during the ASEAN session open. ASEAN session open. The price from going to the resistance, then reject. So now at the H1 time frame, we see that the current market price also still sideways. We don't know where the market want to go. Okay, sideways from here. This is during the from bearish movement and then reject. Make it one peak, go to lower peak, 2 peak, and then second peak, go to the support, and then make a third peak, 1, 2, 3, 4 peaks for the lowest price going. Even here also the price reject. So this is sideways market. You guys clear or not? So from at the H1 time frame, you guys can see sideways market. So in order for us to get the opportunity buy or sell, we only trade bouncing trade. From the support to the resistance, resistance to the support, support to the resistance, we call this as a bouncing trade. There is no trending trade. So clear or not at the H1 time frame? H1 time frame, you guys clear or not? In order for us to get best position entry, we need to see clearly. We need to see clearly the confirmation. Okay. If here we want to sell, the confirmation is with the long wick rejection, then we can entry sell here. But here we need to be careful. We cannot guess also. Based on the support, we only buy based on the support that we mark. So this is what we call bouncing trade. That trade that I personally, I don't like the trade like this. Only between the support and resistance. So it's quite high risk, and we don't know where the market wanna go. We don't know. Nobody's know. Either the price wanna break out this weekly support or for continuation bearish, or the price wanna change direction for bullish movement. This is the key level. This is the area of important area. Either the USD wanna is going to be weak or strong. Let me check there is any high impact news during the US session for today. Let me check first at the Forex Factory. It must have a strong bullish or bearish movement. One strong candle at the H4 or daily time frame. Let me check first. I will check Forex Factory. What is the incoming news for the USD for today during the US session? Today 5th October. Oh, yeah, we got quite interesting. Before Europe session close, there is a one high impact news, medium impact news, challenger jobs cuts in the United States, and then unemployment claims. Half an hour before US session open, trade balance also at the same time, so consider as a quite high impact news. After the Europe session open, 1 hour before US session open, there is a one high impact news, and 2 hours after the US session open, there is a two high impact news, FOMC also, member bar speaks. So today there is a breakout for this strong, I call it a breakout this sideways. So we need to wait breakout the sideways between these two resistance and support, or we can try to get the opportunity buy and sell between these two zones. If the price comes here, we need to see the confirmation at the lower time frame. Maybe we can buy, see first the confirmation. If we want to sell here based on the first lap also, this is what we call as a bouncing trade between the support and resistance. So are you guys clear for now? Weekly, daily, H4 and H1 analysis. Where the price, where is the best area for us to get the opportunity buy or sell. You guys clear or not for now? H4 and H1. Market sideways. Okay. So far clear. So need to be more careful on our confluence of the confirmation entry. We need to see clearly the confirmation. Okay. After this, I will go to the lower time frame. Maybe we try to get the opportunity scalping. Okay, my opinion, we can wait the breakout between these two zones. Okay, example like this. Okay, we go to the M15. Now at the M50 time frame. Okay. This is M15 time frame. If the price break out here with a strong candle, drastically candle, break out this current resistance, even this resistance we mark from the H4 and H1. So if this breakout, then we can buy. Wait for pullback, then we can buy. But for the continuation sell, look up from the weekly time frame. This is considered as a still strong support. We need to monitor if the price want to break out. We need to wait this week candle closing, either closing down, breakout like this. Okay, closing down like this. Okay, example on Friday, tomorrow the price closing below of this blue zone, so consider as the price breakout this weekly support. For as on Friday tomorrow, the price still reject. Today during US session, the price react and breakout at the lower time frame, so the current market price will change the direction. Okay, so need to wait at the lower time frame M15 breakout, so we can get the opportunity upping. At least we can get 30 to 50 pip. Alright, clear or not for now, guys? Are you guys clear or not? Okay, you guys can drop down any question to me while we monitor the movement for this goal. Okay, don't forget guys, this Sunday I want to do a recap on the education. If you guys want to join, I will share the link, YouTube link. I will do maybe I will do in public, or I will do only in VIP. I will confirm first. I will confirm later. So this weekend on Sunday we will do live education with me. We can spend about 2 to 3 hours. Okay. So if you guys want to join, just stay tuned in the channel. Then I will update in the channel. Either I will do with among the VIP group, or in public. I will confirm later in the channel. Okay. So on this Sunday, I will do recap on the weekly movement, and then we will do some back tests, maybe market back test, why the price move for bullish or bearish movement, and then how to clearly understand the confirmation of entry. And if you guys in my VIP group, I think a lot of education I did give by ebook. I did release I think already 3 ebooks, 2 ebook, and then 1 ebook by video. I give you guys by video in order for you guys to understand clearly about the confirmation. So from the education video, from the ebook video that I share in the VIP group, you guys can see and get the entry like this, also the bouncing trade, the reaction at these 2 zones, support and resistance. So where to entry, where to get the best entry point. Okay, I give you guys example. Okay, let's say here, you guys see there is a strong long wick rejection here. Okay, strong long wick rejection, price react, and then she goes about from here after the rejection, and then she goes about 150 pips. And then, like I said before, if there is a first time price comes to the rejection area, we can get the opportunity to buy. This is the area of best position entry. You see, only between 10 pips layering entry zone. Okay, price reject, then this is a candle for pullback. We can entry buy again. Guys, I want to ask, because I monitor from my other device, from my iPad, the chart is very small. Is it small for you guys? Is it too small? You guys still can see the chart or not? Because the one that I open now is from my desktop and white screen, so for me it's clear. How about you guys? You guys clear or not? Yeah, okay, should be okay. Okay, let's see at the lower time frame what the current price doing now. Let's see at the lower time frame. This is M15, so quite high risk for us to entry at the M5. So we go to M5 now. You want to see, is it good for us or not for to entry sell to follow the current movement at the lower time frame? But it is quite high risk for me. Okay, example, if the price already reject at this resistance. So some of us said that why not we just follow the trade? Why not we just follow the current movement? Okay, keep in your mind, okay, if at the lower time frame M5 also there is also the support and resistance area need to be monitored. Okay, let's say at here, the minor support, since the current movement is strong bearish, we need to be alert is here. What if we entry sell now and the price reject? So it's not good, right? It's not best position entry for us. So better entry at the higher time frame and monitor at the lower time frame. Okay, somebody asked, how about continuation? That's why I said after the rejection, after the reaction at the higher time frame resistance, let's say here. Excuse me. Let's say here, the price reject. So the next support that we need to monitor is here. So once the price breakout, we can entry sell. From here to here, we got about 47 pips. So at the lower time frame also there is a support and resistance we need to monitor. We cannot simply ride the current movement. Right? Then why not buy? There is no confirmation buy. Okay? To be honest, this is still high risk for us, except we want a scalping. Only 5 pips, 10 pips. So better wait at the higher time frame support or resistance. See first the confirmation, then we can entry. That is how we manage the confluence of confirmation entry. Sideways. Okay, any question guys? You guys wanna ask? Any question? Can't see your mouse pointer. Okay, hold on. Check mouse pointer, I have it here. Wait. Let me setting for the mouse pointer. Wait. Okay, I change it, the mouse pointer to blue. You can see, right? Right, let me check your question. How do I change the color of candle in my MT4 platform? Setting. I have to setting. Okay. What kind of candlestick pattern is your entry? Okay. As I mentioned earlier, if you follow my education, the chart pattern bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing only our guidance. Okay, but it is not the confirmation. Understand that? If gold doesn't break 130, if gold doesn't break 3033 level, we can sell. One nine or 18. If gold doesn't break 19, I think 18, right? If gold doesn't break 3033 level, we can sell after confirmation price action. Yes, correct. Yeah. If the price not break this resistance that we mark, then we can sell. But need to understand, if the price sideways between these 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, honestly, based on my experience, it's quite challenging for us. We only trade based on the bouncing trade between these two zones, not the strong confirmation. The only confirmation is we sell at the resistance, we buy at support. That is only confirmation. There is no breakout or there is no pullback action. Okay, let's monitor at the M5. What M5 candle is doing now. Let's see M1. I want to see the reaction only. This is a current support at the lower time frame M5. Either the price reject or breakout candle and then reverse. Let's wait and see. So I open back now M5 time frame. So let's see for the current movement what the price give us, what the price show to us. Okay, this is from here support, here resistance, and then this is a quite tricky. Okay, either we can buy from here after the breakout, but the breakout here quite tricky. Let me see clearly. Low weight rejection, and then the price going down, and then here the price breakout yesterday before market close, and then the price drastically going down. So I see the candle open now. 4 minutes after 4 minutes there is a strong long week rejection. So check again at M30 in. Right, maybe I see maybe only. Okay, we can try to get the opportunity for scalping buy. Let's see clearly first. Okay, if we want to try to get the scalping opportunity, here is the second support area. After below the support area, we can set the stop loss. So if you buy from here, stop loss to here, our risk only 20 pips. Okay, now check at the lower time frame M5 to be safe. This is the minor resistance. If breakout, then we can buy. Okay, for now it's only rejection, right? But if we want to get the opportunity buy at the lower areas of the support, we have to monitor, we have to see clearly, because here this is resistance, breakout, price come back here. It could be a pullback after breakout. The movement like this at the M15, closing candle like this, and then pullback, entry buy. So the next TP, the first TP we can get about from here, let's say from here to here, 30 pips. Hold VBE to the next strong resistance, we can get about 60 to 70 pips. So let's see at the lower time frame what the price show to us. The Europe session is open already. Okay, let's say I go to M1 H1 time frame. I want to see the ASEAN session, what the ASEAN session open yesterday. Wait. Right, this is a ASEAN session open with a strongly bullish. So it could be during Europe session the gold will do the same reaction. The same reaction, bullish. Okay. Let's monitor very clear before we entry. So you guys understand or not? Clear or not? the analysis for our scalping entry. Agree with me or not? For this setup. Okay, I repeat again. For this setup, I see there is a, this is from the ASEAN session movement, strong. Bullish. Then she go about 65 pips. But now the price comes again to this area breakout. This is at the minor resistance H1 time frame. The price now at the area of the first movement during ASEAN session open. Can we get the opportunity buy again here? The risk we can take at least 20 pips here. The stop loss. Let's check at the lower time frame. So that is the reason entry of buy reason entry if you want to follow me. My strategy now based on the movement, the first left, the breakout, but at the lower time frame, medium risk entry. I'm not entry yet, but I want to see first the reaction at the lower time frame M1, M5. The current price is at the area that we mark minus support. Okay, RG, the stop loss we can set, but not entry yet, okay? Not entry yet. The stop loss is 18, at least 1819 is good. Or 1820 to make it more very low risk. From the H1 time frame, this is ASEAN session candle, okay? ASEAN session candle, 1 hour candle open with a strong bullish momentum. Before the Europe session open, strong momentum drastically going down. But now once Europe session open, this is 1 hour candle, what the price, where the price, either the price want to break out here or react with the same reaction during ASEAN session. Are you guys want to entry with me or not? Based on the current movement. We try to get a scalping. At least 30 pips. Risk only about 25 pips. Okay, let me check. You guys can see clearly. Clearly, you guys can see. Please, this entry based on your money management. See, right? 20 pips only. 20 pips. You guys want follow me or not? 20 pips risk. Only 20 pips. If you guys want to follow, can follow. If you guys don't want to follow, also can. Never mind. But based on what we discussed just now, based on what we see, the confirmation is based on from the higher time frame, based on the reaction H1. So our entry is at the H1 time frame. Okay, we try to get the scalping opportunity. Okay, I will update in the channel. Alright guys, I wanna buy. Based on what we discussed, I buy now. I entry 3 layer. I put our first buy entry is 182. I already update in the channel, okay? Alright, our stop loss is at I will update in the channel so you guys can see also in the channel. One 1822. So layer entry, very small layering entry. Okay. I will put 1820.50 TP. Our first TP. At least 30 pips. From here to here. Wait. Our first TP is here. The first next resistance around here. The blue line is our first TP around 0.1826. The stop loss. Oh, now I can layer. Alright, the stop loss. We check the first. This is the first support, second support. I think I wanna take about 10 pips below the support, second support. So right. $1819. So our risk for this entry from the first entry to here quite big. 35 pips. 35 pips risk. Okay. So please layer entry based on your capital. Okay. Don't layer entry at the same point of entry zone. $1819. Okay, I already update in the channel for this buy. Okay. So let's see how the market goes. Careful, okay? Careful because we only entry at the lower time frame H1. The confirmation, like I explained just now, I see there is a from the H1 time frame here, strong momentum breakout here, from momentum at the during the ASEAN session open, going up. And then once Europe session open, we see that there is a drastically movement, price going down. It looks like the price wanna collect at this buyer area. So there is a good reaction at the lower time frame also. We see at the M1 rejection. So this is the area of our entry. Let's monitor together. Okay, let's check at the current, our first entry is floating. Let's check how many pips floating. About 19 pips from my first entry. Okay, this is the last support. So if this support breakout with a strong momentum, 5 minute time frame, so consider as a this setup is failed. So the price wanna collect on the at the strong support area. For now, our confirmation setup entry is based on the H1 time frame. We try to get the opportunity to buy. This is the last support, okay? Last support. The first support here. Second support. So we see first. But see here from the strong higher time frame support, the price react, going up. And then there is a breakout, first breakout here. So either the price want to reject the first area of the support or the second breakout area. So we see. Let's monitor together, okay? You guys agree with me or not for this entry? This is based from the H1 time frame. Okay, 20 minutes already, the candle H1 time frame already running. Now I open H1 time frame. So we monitor from the H1 time frame. Right guys, I want to take 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes and then we continue. I take 5. Just wait. We see and monitor together first. Okay guys, how is our trade is going now? Is it reject or continue to the next strong support? How is your trade entry? 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer? Only 30 pips risk. We try to get the opportunity for scalping. Why you guys keep quiet? You guys entry or not? Are you guys entry or not? Or you guys just watch my entry? Wow, RG 4 layer. Be careful, okay? It is 50-50 quite risky also because but we have the confirmation based on the H1 time frame. What if after hit SL in its fly? Manage your risk. You can wipe your SL point also. But based on SL point I give now is based on the last support area. Last support area at the lower time frame. If the strong support area is the one down there, the blue zone. Careful guys, careful. Layer based on your capital. Based on your money management. Don't hope the entry point. Don't hope with our setup. But we entry the position based on our confirmation, confluence of entry. Okay, I repeat again, okay? I recap. Okay, the reason of our entry, this is from the H1 time frame. We see that there is a strong bullish movement during 3 hours before US session, before the market close yesterday. Okay. 1 hour, 2 hours before market close, there is a strong bullish momentum. And then once the ASEAN session open, the price keep continue break out this minor at the H1 time frame resistance breakout. So now the movement is pullback. The current movement is pullback. For this current movement is pullback. So expecting what happened during ASEAN session, the same thing will happen during during now Europe session. Okay. From here to here, the first take profit point also you can take around here, 30 pips. Compulsory to take a profit at this point and then set the break even to the my TP point 1826. So we can get from here to here about 30 to 35 pips. Scalping only guys, scalping only. This is how to set the stop loss using desktop. Very easy. You just can drag the entry point. One more entry here. So enough. My entry is enough. I reach about, I think 8 entry with a stop loss about 30 pips. I risk about 30 pips. 8 entries. I set already the stop loss from my desktop. So we entry based on the reason. Okay, reason. We have reason to entry. Panic closing. Okay, let's see at the lower time frame M5. What is the reaction? Still no good reaction. M1 sideways. Sideways. M1 sideways, okay. So we go back to M15. Indecision candle closing here. The last 15 minutes indecision candle. This is what we call indecision candle. Okay, M30. Indecision candle also. And M1 still not closed yet. Just wait. So expecting we entry based on the H1 time frame candle. Right? So don't blame me if the price hits SL. We already did analyze together the mapping for this setup together, okay? Okay, let's monitor together. Let's monitor. Gotta movement very soon. Alright, let's open at the lower time frame. What's the lower time frame give us? Show us we see strong momentum candle at the minute 5. M1 still sideways. My layer is not good because I'm with you guys. I update in the channel and then I cannot see all this. I can layer around here also. Any one of you got the last layer entry here around 1820? Any one of you? Any one of you entry at the 1820? Any of you layer entry at 1820? So we want to see the strong long wick rejection at M15. Another 5 minutes. Another 10 minutes before 15-minute candle close. Another 10 minutes. This is M15. So we want to see strong fly momentum candle at this M15 time frame. M15 candle. Our first entry is here. We got between 20 pips layer entry. I want to close my first entry if the price touch our first entry at 1822. I want to close. Oh, we see the strong momentum now. Okay, let's see at M5. We hope this the long wick rejection is breakout, so we hope the price hits our first target of take profit point. At least we can get 30 pips to be safe. So we win the profit entry, the entry for today, the first one. You guys in profit from the last layer entry? So when you set break even, when you set the break even after 30 pips or more, after 30 pips. Once the price touches here, and then I can set the break even here. Sometimes the price running like this. Collect again this area, then she goes. That's why we have to wait. So what do you think, guys? The price can hit the TP or not? Can I set the break even now? No. If you want to set the break even, better you close the profit. Or you set the stop loss only. Stop loss only between the 20 to 30 pips only. So we take the risk, okay? Either you close, take profit, or just set the stop loss. Break even set after the 30 pips price running, or close all the profit entry. What do you think, guys? Can hit TP or not? Based on our analysis from the H1 time frame, we want to see this H1 candle with a strong long wick rejection and then go up like this. We want to see like that. Hey, what is that? Oh, nothing. So let's see the candle closing for the M15 time frame. Actually, we want to see like this. Okay. Now I in profit. I will update once the price touch 1824. Then I will update we win this setup. If not, we not winning this setup. Okay. Is it fair? The first TP 1824. Can hit TP or not, guys? Can hit TP or not? Okay guys, give me 5 minutes guys. At least 3 minutes wait. Okay, another 4 minutes before 15-minute candle close. Let's open M15 time frame. So let's see the candle close for the this M15. Okay. Another 3 minutes before M15 close. Oh, I see there is a strong long wick rejection and then there is a long wick rejection here. The price reject this support then, but now the candle closing for M15 is not good. Also strong long wick rejection. Another 3 minutes we see another 3 minutes. Okay guys, I want to ask you guys, I want to make poll. Which session do you guys like? Europe session or US session? Which session you guys like to trade? During Europe session or US session? Another 1 minute before 15-minute candle close.
3, 2, 1.
RRC US session, how about others? Okay, Europe session very slow, right? But US session also is double action, triple action. but the same movement and same confirmation we need to find. We need to understand and clear. Here, high volatility. The price running wild. Okay, Mimi said Europe, US too volatile. Yeah. Okay, the 15-minute candle is closed already. Let's see what is the price give us. Also strong long wick rejection, and M30 is indecision. So another 15 minutes before this 1 hour candle movement, we want to see the strong bullish momentum. Maybe another 1 hour also we want to see. M1 still sideways. Okay, M1 still sideways. M5 M5 created the lowest peak here. If break out this peak, so positive to our TP. If break out these lower peaks, it quite risky. So just wait and see. Okay, monitor together. Okay, from what I see now, the price still in the buy zone. Okay, the price still in the buy zone. Now we are floating about 20 to 25 pips from our first entry. It could be the price wanna collect last buyer from there. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame and check and see. The blue zone that I marked here is the last area of the support. The last area of the support. So our stop loss is below 20 pips below the last support area. So we want to see the reaction at this last support. Either there is a strong long wick rejection or strongly the price breakout. About 20 to 25 pips floating. Okay, the blue zone, that one, the last one is the last support area. You want to see the rejection, the reaction at this last zone. That's why I said the last our buy entry is our buy entry from the 1822 to 1820.50. That is the last position buy if you want to buy. So I wanna put, wait, let me check. I want to entry the last entry buy here. This is the last one. And then if the price hits SL, so it's a stop loss, so we have to wait another movement. So another 8 minutes before the candle closing for the H1 time frame. You want to see the reaction, this closing candle. Either there is a strong long wick rejection with the new candle bullish momentum, or the price will collect the first area of the bullish momentum. Another 5 minutes, okay? Let's see another 5 minutes. We want to see the rejection at this H1 candle. If there is a strong long wick rejection closing, so it is good. But strong bearish, so the price want to collect the strong support area down there. Exactly at the point of the blue zone that I marked, the second zone support. The price now give a reaction. So let's wait another 1 hour, maybe another 1 hour. So what do you think, guys? Going to reject or not? Another 3 minutes before this 1 hour candle close. Is going to reject or not? It's still in the buy zone. It's not valid if strongly momentum candle bearish closing below than 1818. So that is not valid anymore. But now still in the buy zone. Another 3 minutes. You want to see the rejection for this 1 hour candle. The reject or not? Another 2 minutes. Rejection 1 hour candle. Reject or not? So after rejection, there is one more 1 hour candle. So we want to see also the strong momentum bullish to our TP. Another 1 minute. We want to see this 1 hour candle, what happened. And then one more candle open. Either strong bearish or strong momentum bullish. If reject until this price is good, but reject equally, it's not good. At least reject to 1821. Yeah, 1 hour candle. Next 1 hour candle is open already. So the price is quite active now. So see what happened. Is there any strong bullish momentum? Yeah, closing reject. So we want to see next candle 1 hour, is it strong bullish momentum or not? It's confirmed it's reject already. It's not breakout. But now we wait for the strong bullish momentum. Okay. Another 1 hour to at least 30 minutes. We want to see the price go to our first TP here. And then we can set the break even. At least we can get how many pips? 30 to 45 pips. Are you guys scared or not? With my entry, with our entry. Are you guys scared or what? Is it strong bullish momentum or not? What do you think, guys? What do you think? So once the price touch our first entry, so we can close first, but not break even yet, to be safe our entry. Okay, let's say like this. The price touches our first entry, then we close first, and then we wait the price go to our first TP. Either we can close all or close half or save our last entry with the break even. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you guys think? Okay, the price now approaching to our first entry. The price now approaching our first entry, or about another 20 pips. 20 pips to our first entry. And another another 40 pips to our first TP, and then can set the break even. Guys, I'm not entry like this, but this one, because I'm live with you, that's why it's like so many hole. It's actually I'm layering from at the last layer entry here, at the last rejection. But if I'm layering, you guys following me, so I manage my capital. I want to show you guys. Okay, let's see. M5 time frame, another 1 minute before closing. So if breakout this first minor resistance, then can go. Breakout this again, then can go. Breakout this, can go. That's it. Just wait. I don't claim yet, okay? I don't claim. Once hits our first entry, then I will claim. You guys agree or not? Yeah. I see there is a good comment. I think it might pull back once more from the roadblock. Yeah. Sometimes happen like that. Sometimes it can break out or react at the minor resistance. Okay, good pushing. Okay, good push. Another few pips to our first entry. Guys, remember, once the price touches our first entry, please close, but not break even yet. Okay, to be safe. Okay, I will close the first one. This one I will close first. Is it close with, oh, not profit yet, but down here is already in profit. It's going up, so I will close to be safe. From the last layer entry is about 20 pips. Okay, the third entry I want to close if the price in profit but not in profit yet. It is at the roadblock area. Yeah. Somebody understand about the resistance. Roadblock same like resistance. It is the resistance. This is also the rejection. So, the price react, the first reaction here. If break out this resistance, then can go up. Just wait, just wait. I cannot claim this entry, this setup is in profit yet. Except my first entry is in profit, so I will claim we got profit. It could be like this also, guys. It could be like this. The price will reverse and going down. Could be like this also. But based on our analysis, based on our confluence of setup entry, we believe that the price wanna go to our first TP here. We not just guess, or we not just think that the price wanna go to this area, but based on our analysis. Okay? The first push is good. We wait for the second push. Second push break out the minor resistance, then she goes. That's it. What is TP1? Our first target is at around 1824, but my set TP point is 1826. But at least we get 30 to 40 pips. Our first take profit point around 1824. To be safe, just close half, close our first entry, and then just wait to our TP point 1826. Set the break even. That's it. So you can take a profit, first take profit at 1824, and then set the break even. That is 30 pips that I promise with you. I'm not saying that this setup, this setup is already in profit. Okay, I'm not saying this setup is already in profit, but there is a sign of the price will hit our first TP. So just wait, guys. Wait for the second push. Break out the 1822, break out 1823, then can go up to 1824, 1826. Okay. We don't want to wait another 1 hour candle. between this 1 hour, then we can close profit, we hope. Right? Agree with me, guys? Agree with me or not? Okay, 2 candle 5 minutes is already closed. Let's see what is the reaction. Good reaction, guys. Good reaction. There is a bullish engulfing, but bullish engulfing at the time frame M5. So the blue zone here is a roadblock or the resistance that the price need to break out. Once breakout, so consider fly. Breakout or not, guys? You guys think it's breakout or not? What do you think? The price now touch my third first entry. I can close if the price in profit. Guys, if you guys worried about this setup, you guys can close. I think most of you already in profit. 20 to 25 pips, you guys can close. But my target first TP is 1824, at least 1824. I risk my account about 20 to 30 pips. You guys can follow me or you guys can close. Okay, you guys live with me so you guys understand what is my reason of entry, what is I'm waiting for. What did I see? So I see what you see. You see what I see now. Okay? What I'm doing now is together with you guys. What I'm waiting now is together with you guys. So to be fair and square, this setup, we just wait based on the confluence setup entry. We see, we analyze together, right? I don't want you guys to blame me. Okay? Blame me if you guys in good profit. I give you guys a reason already. This is why. This is how I enter the position. I just wait. I just see. I want to see the reaction. Reaction after reaction at every of the time frame. Understand? You guys understand or not? So another push, one more push, 1 more minute before 15 minutes candle close. Expecting one strong bullish momentum at this time frame M15. So let's see another 15 minutes, then we can close the profit. One more minute. Push. Oh, one more. Or next candle will going for pullback or not? It could be also pullback candle. Let's see M15 candle. Look like pushing. Pushing or pullback? If pullback, just then have to wait another 50 minutes. I think pullback. Let's see M5. Just touch my third entry, that's it. So from my last entry, we got about 20 pips. I need to wait one more push, one more candle. One more candle pushing. So another 14 minutes have to wait. Guys, I want to see how many of you entry this setup. How many of you just say yes, I'm entry. Are you guys entry or not? Are you guys entry with this setup or not? Entry at 1822. How many of you just say yes if you guys follow this setup? Not many entry. Okay, long wick rejection at the M5 M15 time frame. We hope another 30 minutes the candle close with a strong long wick rejection with a good pushing. Let's see open M5 time frame. Yeah, long wick rejection. So need to have a good strong momentum to break out this only minor resistance. Why not pushing? M1 keep playing at the resistance area. We need a momentum. Tension. This is how we need to monitor, okay? One more minute, one candle strong momentum. One more minute. Please don't pull back. If pull back, so not good. I see there is not selling momentum for the M5 time frame. Okay, let's go to M15. There is no strong seller momentum. M30. We close another 11 minutes. We see there is a buy bullish momentum for now. Okay. After a sideways, then strong bullish momentum. Now go back to H1. We want to see this 1 hour candle break out this past 1 hour candle. That's it. So another 1 hour have to wait. Another 10 minutes before this 15 minutes candle close. I want to close all in profit or I want to close all in stop loss. That's it. That's it. I don't want to close in between the zone, between the running area. I want to close in profit. I want to close in profit. So for now, the price is at my third entry point. Third entry point. I can close first this. Yeah, I can close first. I can close first. Right, my third entry is closed already. Just wait the price going to my first layer entry, and then I will close. Then I wait at 1824. Either I close all or set the break even. That's it. We need another push. So one of the reason that I want to hold, let's go to the line chart. You see there is a strong lower peak here. Okay, this is a M15. Based on the first left, also at the same point that the price reject. Okay, and then from the past here, this is the resistance has been breakout. Okay, so it could be pull back around here, then it goes. Okay, we see one confirmation and then another confirmation. The price here breakout. This is a breakout. This is the viewpoint from view from the line chart, MT4 line chart. Okay. Let's go back to the candlestick. So we hope that the price pull back here only, and then she goes another 6 minutes before this 15 minute candle close. I take a break in 3 minutes, okay, and then I will do with you guys. 3 minutes. Okay, what happened now, guys? What happened with the current market price? Let's see. Another 2 minutes before this 15-minute candle close, we see that this is at M15 time frame. The last two candle price reject with a strong long wick rejection. One bullish momentum candle, and the current candle at the M15 time frame is pullback. Pullback must here, must at this area, and then the new candle must with a strong bullish momentum. Let me explain again why the price reject here. This is considered as the price running here with a strong bearish momentum, and then price react here with rejection. Current price is at the minor resistance between the M5 M15 time frame. Price going down, reject, going down, going up, and at the resistance M15 M5 time frame. If breakout here, so positive to TP. If react again here, so it could be like this. The price can go down to here again, either reject, going up, or else can break out. These two scenario can be happen. So new candle M15 is open already. Let's see how. Still no bullish momentum. If you guys entry from 1822, you guys got floating about only 12 pips, 10 pips, 12 pips. If you guys worry about this entry, you guys can close or just follow me, okay, with my strategy from what I see now. Is running sideways. It could be another 1 hour for bullish momentum or breakout for bearish movement, collect another next support. We see first. I think another half an hour. Just wait. Okay, M30, we see that the candle quite good with the bullish momentum, but there is a rejection here. This rejection based on the first left here. So expecting a new candle at the M30 like this, at least to this next resistance. This is next resistance, at least. Okay, that's why I said 1824. Very good. Bullish momentum. Want to see the momentum at the M5, M1 breakout. Another push to break out this resistance. And if this the movement for the current market price hits my first entry point, I will close first and then I will hold the layer entry, the last layer entry, some of the layer. The last push, okay, last push, except the price keep bearish. Let's see H1. I see somebody said, "Sir, please come live in US session." You want me to live in US session or not? Because last Monday we did a profit in our setup live during live, but I didn't get not much the feedback from you guys, so I don't see you guys interested to live with me during the US session. You guys want me to do live during US session or not? How many of you want live during US session? How many of you? Just say yes if you want. If you want, just say yes. It could be during US session, only 5 minutes, 10 minutes only for each of the setup. Maybe you can get at least 2 or 3 setup during US session. Okay, for the current movement goal, okay. I see there is a rejection also at this H1 time frame, which is not good, but we see also at the lower time frame M30, M15 what the movement for gold will give to us. It should be like this, only one candle pullback and then going up, but another candle here showing that the price want to pull back to down here or breakout. That is what will happen. That is what will happen. Either another second pullback here, another for the second candle, or breakout. Let's see M5. I see the price still pull back. But if the price one strong momentum bearish breakout, this the last one, the last rejection, so it is not good. It is not good. Okay, for now we want to see the strong long wick rejection, another strong long wick rejection here. Because for now, even the H1 time frame is not closing yet, but it shows that there is a strong long wick rejection for the current H1 time frame. M30 is good, one candle with a strong bullish momentum, but another M30 is not good. Another M30 give a reaction with a strong bearish. M15 not closing yet, another 4 minutes. We want to see also the strong long wick rejection. Sorry, M15, yeah, this M15. So closing candle must with the long wick rejection. It cannot be breakout here. If breakout is not good, then can hit our SL. Another 4 minutes, okay? We want to see the strong long wick rejection, that's it. Okay, honestly, this is a not good movement. Honestly, this is a not good movement. But based on the last support here, we want to see what is the reaction. I just hold first. Okay, another 2 minutes before M15 is closed. We want to see either the price will react based on this rejection. Last week rejection, what the current candle give us. I just hold first this setup. Okay, new candle for M15 is open already. Let's see what is the reaction, either breakout or it react at the zone that we marked, the last zone support. Wow, this setup is already 2 hours. Worth it or not to wait? there is not good reaction at the lower time frame. I see the price still in a buy zone, but there is not good reaction based on the candle show here at the lower time frame. It could be the price continue for bearish for to the next strong support. Honestly, there is not good reaction now. The first reaction only is good. So what do we do now? Just wait. I just wait. Either the price still react at this last from the last position entry, or the price pull back for the second time for another push bullish momentum. So our risk now is about another 20 pips. One eight. Okay, set your stop loss, okay? Based on what I give. The price is not running in good movement for me. Honestly, it's not in good movement. Okay, let's see at the lower time frame, M5, the last area, buy area. So, but the price is not give us a sign of good movement, okay? As for me, honestly, this is a not good move because there is a no strong buyer momentum. We see that only one reaction here, one reaction, and then there is a strong bullish momentum after that. The price we expecting the price will pull back around here, but it keeps going for strong bearish movement. So it's not respect the H1 support. It is not strong at all. This is the area of the strong support area. Okay, but I just set the stop loss point. If the price hit the stop loss, never mind, I lost about 30 pips. Then we go for next setup. You see first next setup how. For now, there is a strong bearish momentum. For another scenario, it could be also the price will collect this area, the first bullish momentum based on the M30 M50 time frame. So based on analysis, it could be also collect this area and then it goes or breakout then can hit our SL. But if respect here, then can go. Earlier there is a sign of good bullish momentum earlier. and then pullback. I'm expecting pullback around here only. But from my experience, there is also pullback at the first area of bullish momentum, and it could be also breakout to this area. So just wait and then see. If breakout, so consider stop loss. If react to reject, then can go to hit our TP. That's it. Just wait and see. That's it. Breakout, it could be like this. One strong bullish momentum. One strong candle hits our SL. Last layer. Then no more layer. Okay, honestly, there is no good reaction. It's not good reaction for bullish movement. Okay, honestly, from me. Okay, I only see, but it's not breakout, strongly breakout yet. Another 2 minutes before 1 hour candle, one more 1 hour candle open. be like this, breakout strongly, because strong long wick rejection is up here. Honestly, this is a not good movement for me. Another 1 minute. I just leave it. First, this entry, we only reach about 30 pips. One more. Not a good move. Not a good move. Okay? Honestly, not a good move. From our first entry, we are floating about 28 pips. The price only react from the first bullish momentum about 20 to 25 pips. But I'm not claiming this entry. I want the price touch our first TP. But the reaction here at the resistance here is reaction. There is no strong buyer. I see only one strong buyer here. Bullish momentum. And then the reaction at this resistance, at the minor resistance, the price react and then continues for bearish. I just hold this position. If you guys, okay, to be honest, this is a not good move. If you guys want to hold with loss entry, you guys lost about 20 pips from the first entry here, 20 to 30 pips. I think the price will make a strong movement here because from the lower time frame, there is no bullish momentum at all like this. Except once the price touch here, there is a strong bullish momentum. Currently, the price running slow and then there is no bullish momentum. except bearish momentum here to be like this. To this next strong support area. It is a not good move, quite tricky, okay? Quite tricky. Okay, you said that new high H1 gonna push high, but we see also on the last candle, last 1 hour candle, there is a strong long wick rejection. Need to be more careful also. If the price pull back, so pull back at the area of the strong long wick rejection, the seller area. So that one need to monitor also. H4, let's see H4. Expecting the H4 should be strong long wick rejection. M30. Or price try to collect the M30 from here. If from here, so it should be the best buy area is here. Around 1817, 1812. But for now, we are based only at the time frame H1. Okay. Because there is a good reaction during ASEAN session here. ASEAN session, there is a strong push at the H1 time frame and show us about 70 pips. So that is one of our reason of the entry. But for now, we are floating below of the first entry ASEAN session reaction. This is yesterday. This is 2 hours before US session close. So what is the price want to show us? Still sideways or what? At first, I agree that the price will give us a second push here. But the candle closing for the last 1 hour is not good with a strong long wick rejection. So that's why I said this is quite risky now. Except the rejection here is good. But for now, the rejection is up here. If the price pull back could be around here. it must have a strong buyer to break out this. If no good buyer, so the price not going up. Okay, so now we reach about this is our first entry, about 25 pips from our first entry. Okay, from our first entry we reach about 23 pips. Honestly guys, I'm not seeing that there is a good movement now. It is a not good reaction for now. From each time frame we see H1, M30, M5, M15 that give us a good sign for the bullish momentum. Okay, if you guys worried about this entry, you guys can close loss about 20-25 pips. Okay, this is my advice to manage your account, to manage your capital. This is the area if you guys want to cut loss first. But for me, I hold first my entry. I hold my entry based on the current movement. Yeah, I need to update in the channel also. That's sideways. 22 to 20 now is about 20 pips. I just hold first with the SL point. Okay, I have to update in the channel. Okay, I have to update in the channel also. I'm not seeing this. This is a good movement. Either you guys from they are from they were the one from the channel that want to hold the position with the SL point or cut loss first within 20 p from the first entry. It is not good movement for me. This is what I see. Okay? This is my opinion. Okay, the strategy now, either you guys want to cut between from the first entry here is about 20 pips, okay? Because honestly, I repeat again, the current movement is not good. It's not a good sign for us, right? If you guys want to cut position, you guys can cut within 20 pips from the first entry. Okay, can close all. Or if you guys want to hold, you guys can set the stop loss point. Okay, 1819 is our last stop loss point. Okay, it is between 20 pips also, so you guys can take a risk. The last stop loss point about 20 pips. Okay, right? So for now, this is what happened. This is what happened. We analyze this setup buy based on the H1 time frame. Based on the H1 time frame, we see that there is a breakout, strong rally movement yesterday, 2 hours before market close, and then during ASEAN session today, the price going show us a good move of bullish momentum. Okay, guys, I have to end first the live session for now. I will update in the channel for those who you follow this entry. I will update either the price hits the stop loss or hits our first TP 1824 or our long range TP about 1826. There's about 50 pips, more than 40 pips. But first 30 pips we will collect first. Okay, so I end first the live session for now. We will continue again during the US session. You guys can send me a feedback. What is your feedback? What do you think about the live session for the Europe session with me now? Anything you guys can DM me. Okay. So for now, I end first the live session. I will update in the channel for this setup entry. Okay, we will continue again. So for now, I see there is a good reaction, but the last 30 minutes reaction is not good. The last 1 hour candle is not good. There is a strong long wick rejection from the point of 1821. Okay, so it is not good sign. Okay, it could be the price we collect around 1816 to 1814 for the reaction at the strong support area. Alright guys, so in 1 minute I will end this live session. Okay, so for those you guys that join me now, thank you for joining me the live session. We will continue the live session again. Anything I will update in the channel again. Alright, thank you guys. Yeah, if you guys hold with the stop loss point. If you guys worried about this entry, this setup, based on what I explained just now, you guys can close with a loss about 20 pips. We will cover back during US session. Okay, so for now, all of my entry, I still hold with the stop loss point. At least hits 1824, I collect all my entry point. Okay, see you again guys. Thank you so much. Give me a lot of fire before I end live session for now. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.